So this is another video of me. I haven't put a video for a while, but this video, it would be nice for a lot of people that have this type of car. So it's a F-150. So if your Ford F-150 is not starting, if you went to the grocery store or you went somewhere and the car is not starting, I will show you what the problem is. So if you crank the key, no starting, like the engine is not want to start, it's not the fuel pump. It could be the fuel pump sometime, but on this car, the more common problem is this right here. So I'm not even gonna turn the engine over. I just want to show you what it is. So the problem is the fuel pump fuse, which is this one here. So this one, you count 1, 2, or you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here. So the F-150, that is the problem. You take this fuse out and look at the fuse. You can see that. So if you have a F-150 2012, this is the problem for it. So if your engine don't want to start, you might just want to go and check the fuse. You should have a spare fuse, but go to your auto store and get some of those fuses and keep it in stock, because you never know when you need it. But that's the problem. If your F-150 is not starting, that is the problem. So if you cranking the engine and the engine just do, let me show you, just go like not starting, that is the problem. But here's what I go do. I go put back the same fuse because I kind of fixed it, but it's not good. I go put a new one again. So we put the fuse back and watch. Let me see. Boom. The engine is running. So you know that is the problem now. Go ahead and fix it. You should have some of those spare fuses, like I said. Keep it in your car in case if you need it. Thank you for watching.